Why are there not more people talking about the incredible power of praising Allah? Let me tell you about Amina. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a girl named Amina. Amina was a devout Muslim who loved Allah with all her heart. One day, while reading the Quran, she found a verse that changed her life. It said, glorify Allah in the evening and in the morning. Inspired, Amina started to praise Allah every morning and evening, no matter what. Whether she was at school, helping her mom, or playing, she always took a moment to thank Allah. Soon, Amina felt more peaceful and content. Even when a severe storm hit her village, causing chaos, Amina's faith remained unshaken. She continued to praise Allah, and miraculously, the storm passed and the sun shone through. Amina's story teaches us that praising Allah brings peace and strength. No matter the circumstance, remember to thank Allah for His blessings. Just like Amina, find comfort in your faith morning and night.